Wood frogs can look very different depending on where they live. Their colors can vary, usually being a color of brown, red, green, or gray. They are most distinguishable by their black markings across their eyes. Wood frogs can be found in most parts of Canada, Alaska, New England, the Great Lake region, along the Appalachians, all the way to northern Georgia. They are the only frog to live north of the Arctic Circle and are said to be one of the most widespread North American amphibian species. The wood frog is also known for having an interesting croak. It sort of sounds like a duck quacking. The males are the ones that make this sound, and they only make it during the mating season. Other than that, wood frogs are known for being pretty quiet. Wood frogs can live in many different habitats. Some of those are tundras, thickets, wet meadows, bogs, and forests. They mate and lay their eggs in vernal pools. They lay up to 3,000 eggs and are known to only mate once in their lifetime, and their lifetimes last about 3 to 5 years. They are one of the first species of frogs to begin mating so early in the spring. They often come out of their hibernation around the beginning of March. Then they are active until October. They eat by using their long tongue to catch insects, worms, slugs, and snails. Their tadpoles eat algae and decaying plant matter, and have also been recorded eating eggs or larvae of other amphibians. Wood frogs can survive in extremely cold places by using a fascinating skill. When a wood frog touches an ice crystal, it signals to the frog it is ready to hibernate. It will find leaves, mud, or something else to hibernate under. Then it begins its hibernation. The wood frog hibernates by freezing itself. They have to do this because wood frogs do not dig deep enough into the ground to stay warm as other frogs do. They can survive this by accumulating urea and glycogen. The glycogen is made into huge quantities of glucose. The urea and glucose act as a sort of antifreeze to limit the amount of ice that will form inside them, because if they completely froze, they would die. Then the frog allows itself to be almost completely frozen. They freeze about 65% to 70% of all the water in its body. When they do this, their heart, breathing, and blood flow completely stop. Then they wait until it is early March to emerge again. It will take about 1 day for the frog to completely thaw out.